In this video, we will see how to dispatch a sales order. Select the sales order that is in approved status. The two products have been added to the order. Click on Pack Shipment for this group. Here, you can either partially pack or fully pack the items. And select the appropriate package. Click on Pack Item. The package details are now displayed on the screen. Click on Complete. The dispatch process is completed successfully, and the shipment is marked as packed. Click on the shipment ID to view the shipment details. You can see that the shipment status is packed. Click on the Edit button to update the shipment status. Change the status to Shipped and click on Update. The shipment status is now updated to Shipped. Next, click on Status, select Delivered, and click on Update. The shipment is now marked as delivered. To view the shipment, click on the View button. Here, all of our shipment details are displayed. To navigate to our order, click on the order ID again. Here, you can see that the shipment status is displayed as delivered, and the invoice has been created automatically during dispatch. Hence, our sales order dispatch process is completed successfully. Thank you.